Welcome to solving exponential equations with logs. So the solution to this equation to the nearest thousandth, in order to find it, what you would have to do is put the left side in y1 and the right side in y2. You will go to the graph, find the intersection, and that would be your answer. However, there's another way to solve this equation algebraically. So in order to do it algebraically, you're going to have to convert it to a logarithm. If you have 4e to the x is equal to 17, before you convert it to a logarithm, you have to get the base by itself. Right now, your base is only e. That's the only thing attached to the exponent. If you were to have parentheses around it, then in that case, your base would be 4e because x is on the outside. So to get the base by itself, you're going to divide by 4 on both sides, and you get e to the x is equal to whatever 17 divided by 4 is. Now that your base is by itself, you're going to convert it into a logarithm. You're going to keep the base and switch the other two values. I have log base e. The 17 over 4 on the right goes to the left, and the x on the left goes to the right. Now you can put that in the calculator, or you can recall that e is the base of ln x, right? Anytime you see an ln, it's really a base e. So you can rewrite this part as ln of 17 over 4. It saves you like 2 buttons when putting it in the calculator. The choice is yours. You're going to go to the calculator. ln is on the lower left by the number 4. And you're going to put in 17 over 4. Or you could do log base e of 17 over 4. You're going to get the exact same answer of 1.4469 and so on. That's approximately 1.45. Now, the steps to solving any exponential equation with logarithms is always to isolate the exponential expression first. In other words, get the base by itself. In this case, you have a plus 3 attached to the base. So you're going to start by subtracting by 3 on both sides. Now that we got the base by itself, you have to convert it from exponential form to logarithmic form. Your base is 2, and you switch the other two values. So log base 2, the 9 on the right goes to the left, the x on the left goes to the right, is what you got. Your last step is to just plug it in the calculator. So this one's telling you to round it. So we are going to plug it in the calculator. Log base 2 of 9. So we have alpha window choice 5 log base to get the function on your calculator, and we have log base 2 of 9, which is equal to 3.169925. And now you're just going to round appropriately to the nearest hundredth. That means we would round up to 3.17 is approximately x, your answer. However, keep in mind how they want the actual answer. If they ever ask you for exact value, in that case, that means no calculator, and your exact value would just be log base 2 of 9. So that's exact, but over here is our rounded answer. Just keep in mind, anytime you have an exponential equation to solve with logs, get the base by itself before you convert. And that's all for this video.